No more jumping, ever. I'm going to laugh that whole thing comes down. I'm not good.
That was such a bad shot.
Shut up! This really isn't that fun. Ha! I told you I could!
You ready for this?
Quick action time! Ah! 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 Stop!
Hello. We do not advise anybody doing these stunts or activities, cause you might look like him, or even worse. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's the sad truth, my love. Oh! See?